this way once we open up the front door. And if you notice on the floor and also going up the stairs is a painted floor cloth, which they used to do in the 1800s. Actually, it's still done today, but it goes all the way up. And I'm sorry if you're not able to see better. I do not have a light in the hallway. But there's a door at the very top that goes into the 2 bedrooms. And then you can see to the right, there's a door there that goes into the main room. And then there's a door over on the left-hand side that goes into the kitchen. But pretty amazing. I just realized in the first video that I did not show you the chimneys. And on this dollhouse, there's a chimney on each end. And as you can see, this chimney has 3 chimney pots. That's what they're called, is a chimney pot. And if we go down to the other end of the dollhouse, it has the 3 chimney pots as well. So I'll take a moment and let you look at it, and then we'll move on to the next item. If you watched the first video of this dollhouse, you would have seen the interior of this main room, but in today's video, we are going to see the primary bedroom. Now, at the end of the video, I have taken a lot of these items out of the room and took pictures of them so that you can see them better. One of the things that you will want to see is the bed in the back and the coverings. And because this room is so long and dark, you just can't see the bed. So it is worth taking a look at. So I want to start with these. They're called band boxes or hat boxes or wallpaper boxes. Now, this room has 5 of them. And these boxes in the early 1800s were made to have either your hat in there or the gentleman's band that went around their shirt collar, which was usually very large and very stiff. And to keep them in really good shape while they're traveling, these band boxes were made. And in our real adult size world, Hannah Davis in New Hampshire was one of the makers of these band boxes. And you can go online and find out more information about her and her boxes. And they are just absolutely gorgeous. And in the pictures at the end of the video, you'll get to see the inside of these, and it's worth taking a look at the insides of them. So as you can see, there's 2 here, there's 1 back here, and then we have 2 here. The top one has the lid off, but they are worth seeing the photos at the end. Now, like in the first video showing this room, we pointed out this silk embroidery carpet. The upstairs bedroom also has one. And if you notice her little slippers with the beads on them, and she has her writing desk and her very elaborate chair and her tea service. And she also has a chandelier very similar to the one that's in the room downstairs. We have a daguerreotype photo of her husband and some items on top of the dresser. So I'll just take the camera around and let you look again, and I'll see you at the end. And as I pan back a little bit, you can see that there is a hallway and a door, and that's the door that leads down the stairs to the front door. Now I would like to take the camera around the house and into the two rooms so that you can see them one more time. And don't forget to stay till the end and look at the other photos that I've mentioned. And I would love for you to subscribe and stay a while with us for more videos on these doll houses. So I'm going to take the camera around, and I won't be saying anything so that you can just look.